our friends from the media, this is, of course, a photo opportunity with everybody on stage. Very much. I'd like to request the chairs to magically come onto stage. Live. And thank you to everybody who's been here today and attend this wonderful chat. You're ready? आपकी इजाजत हो तो शुरू करें. This is a very special chat that we'd love to do. Ritesh, I hope you have a mic with you.
Yeah, I think you should
All
start
right.
with Salman, na? Since
Y'all can't do this to me. Thank you. I'm going to start off with you, Ritesh. Excel has consistently delivered Black Cost close to home. What are your thoughts on it? Now that we've seen the trailer, what do you wish it does?
I mean, I think, Zoya said it in the trailer, which you get a sense as there was nobody like them, and there's nobody after them on this. And I think even just talking about what they do as writers and what they've done, we were just discussing this even backstage, that all of us sitting here, all of us, have a job because these two people went and wrote something and brought that to life. So I don't think that is what needs to be shared with the world. That's what I think this generation needs to see what kind of writers and what they do. So I think without writers, we are actually nobody. We have no job. So I think a story like this coming to the forefront and sharing it with the world is the best thing we as Salman Khan Films, Excel, Tiger Baby could do and take it out there.
Thank you so much, Ritesh, for that. And yes, that deserves a huge round of applause. That's so true. Agar writers nahi hote, to hum nahi hote. Zoya, this is a question for you. Tell us your earliest memories of watching Salim Sahab and Javed Sahab at work.
My earliest memories are of the spaces, I think. Certain hotel rooms, the study in our house now, which for my luck is my room right now. The study they worked in, I think it's the spaces, I think it's that A4 blank foolscap sheet and handwriting. That's my earliest memory of it.
Oh, lovely. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. Farhan, I'd like to take the next question for you, which is, tell us that one film that you watched of the duo and what effect did it have on you? Any film, like a visceral memory that's never left you.
You know, I've watched all their work umpteen number of times. So be it Sholay, be it Diwar, be it many films. But the one that I think I've watched the most that they worked on was a film called Kranti, which I watched, I don't know, maybe like 300 times. I saw that film. It was highly entertaining. I don't know if they will be happy that that was my first choice of, of Kranti. Kranti. But no, all their work. I think, I mean, this documentary is aptly titled Angry Young Men because they brought their life experience, their voice, their identity into the character that we've all come to know as Vijay. And that's left like a lasting impression on all of us. But I mean, all of it, their work is absolutely spectacular. It speaks for itself.
Thank you so much for that. Kranti, in case anyone missed that, okay? I'm going to take this to Salman, sir. Salman, sir,
I just saw an interview of Mr. Manoj Kumar, and he's taken away the credit from Salim Javed. He said that he's written it.
Did he?
Yeah.
Okay. So then we'll have a separate documentary for Manojji.
I think it's very, very honest of him that he has made this confession.
Gems.
Yes, no, but it's a fact. It's a fact. He says, मैं लिखता था, मैं इनको सुनाता था, और ये फिर आके वही करके चले जाते थे. So but he did write it.
As they say, it takes a village.
Especially that chana zor garam.
Which is why I think I had another question on my cards, but I'm just going to go ask you a favorite film of the two of them.
I've liked all their films. But for me, Diva, Zanjeer, Dawn, Sholay, अब कितने नाम ले कि जब हम we produce a film, I'm sure even Farhan and Zoya must be revisiting all their films.
Now for the question on the card, which is, when did you realize that your father was no ordinary man, but the Salim Khan?
क्या सवाल है ये? अब इस सवाल का जवाब तो कुछ और ही होगा कि जब से कुछ समझ में आया तो सलीम जावेद ही समझ में आए, बाकी के कोई नहीं समझ में आया.
Thank you so much for that. Javed Sahab, before we go ahead and before you say once again that, what about us? I want to ask you a question to both of you, Salim Sahab and you. All of the women on the docu have said, you were brats. You were brats. You were not humble and you knew your worth. Some of those women are sitting right here. Thank you. Thank you for joining us today. It's so wonderful.
No, I must, in all honesty, accept that Salim Javed has stepped on many people's feet. But to begin with, those feet should not have been there.
सलीम साहब आपसे जरूर सुनना चाहेंगे.
बाकी खाने के बाद
लंच टाइम हो गया है.
डायरेक्टर से सुन लेते हैं. Yes, I think we'll break for lunch very, very soon. Namrata, I think this question begets an answer. Of all the names you went with Angry Young Men, which is, I think, the perfect name for this docuseries, but how did that come to you?
It was Zoya's idea. I mean, even when she had the idea first, she knew that it will be called Angry Young Men.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah, and we discussed it back in 2018. She already knew it's Angry Young Men.
Thank
And I
you
thought
so
it's a fab name.
Truly is.
Yeah,
Thank you.
it epitomizes everything the docu-series is about. Yeah.
Thank you for that.
So
Manish,
this Brad thing is two people writing, giving hit after hit, hit after hit, hit after hit. And now they have to refuse a lot of producers, a lot of actors. तो वो वहाँ से आता है कि ये लोग अपने आप को समझते क्या इनका दिमाग खराब हो गया है. दिमाग इनका नहीं खराब हुआ था, दिमाग इनका चल ही रहा था और बहुत अच्छे तरीके से चल रहा था क्योंकि ये हिट पे हिट दिए जा रहे थे. और जिनके साथ ये काम नहीं कर पाए फॉर डेट्स और प्लॉट पसंद नहीं आया, फॉर व्हाटएवर, शक्ल पसंद नहीं आई, जो भी है, कैरेक्टर पसंद नहीं आया, वो उन्होंने इनको टैग कर दिया कि इनका दिमाग ख़राब था, लेकिन एक्चुअली इनका नहीं था. जिन्होंने इनको ये बोला है वो उनका दिमाग ख़राब है.
well, thank you so much. Manish, I'm going to take this to you quickly because, lunch. Prime Video has always been at the forefront of presenting such amazing stories. Please tell us, with Angry Young Men, what can audiences expect?
I think the audiences on this specific one, apart from all the great things that we've heard, is fantastic storytelling, right? And it's the story behind the story. These are iconic writers who've created iconic characters and iconic films. And I personally see a lot of new films today, and you can tell that there is, a little bit of Salim Javed in every film. Whether it's a character, it's a story. So there is a lot that you're going to see, and then there is, some trivia that I can't really talk about. But yeah, it's something that we're very, very excited about.
Talk about it. Talk about it.
But yes, there is a lot to be seen. 3 episodes, power-packed, 240 countries, and 20th August. That's all I want to say for now.
Amazon ka promotion. One thing, I've worked with a lot of writers, and so has Farhan. With a lot of writers, they write. Salim Javed thought. They put their life's experiences, what they've learned from people around, what they've seen, what their parents have taught them, what their children, have, the way they've grown up. So they've taken from life and they put it on cinema. The rest of the writers, cinema se utha ke cinema mein dala hai. God makes men. They don't want to be men anymore. He makes a lot of men. But in this generation, they don't want to be men. These two here, my father and Javed Sahab, they're men, they're still men because they want to be men.
Woo! Ideally, this is the point where we drop our mics and go backstage. But there's a couple of more questions, and don't shoot the messenger. I would love for Rima to get in a word at this point. This question is for you. And that is, what is your biggest takeaway from this docu-series?
I think they're great. The fact that, like Salman just said, what they were writing at that time, it was so reflective of what was happening in society. And also, I think writers were treated quite shabbily at that time. In the industry, they had no status. And these two gentlemen came and just kind of broke all of that and just shattered, the glass ceiling. And it's very inspiring. And I think it's inspiring to somebody who's not a filmmaker or a writer too, because it's your genuine rags to riches, against all odds kind of story.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. I think the befitting end to this afternoon just might be each of you hit me, not like that. We'll start with you, Manish. Woo!
Should we just do it the other way around?
I've already said mine, which is मैं आज भी फेंके हुए पैसे नहीं उठाता.
डॉन के दुश्मन की सबसे बड़ी गलती ये है कि वो डॉन का दुश्मन है.
Woo! Yeah, baby. Well done. Namrata.
मेरे पास माँ है.
क्या बात है? क्या बात है? Aren't we grateful? Reema ji.
जो डर गया समझो मर गया.
Yeah, baby. Ritesh.
I was going to say मेरे पास माँ है because that had also reached the Oscars, but I'll say कितने आदमी थे.
Fantastic. दो सरकार दो. Salman sir.
स्वागत नहीं करोगे आप इनका?
क्या बात है? Should we ask the two of you what your favorite lines might be? Would you like to tell us your own line? I think that might be a bit weird. Yes.
That, now let me tell you that we are going to write now. I have spoken to him कि एक पिक्चर बस हम एक और लिख दें साथ में. चल.
लाइन यहाँ से शुरू होती है.
उस जमाने में भी हमारी प्राइस ज़्यादा थी. इस जमाने में तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा होगी. वो देख लीजिएगा आप. मगर एक बात, हमारे बच्चों ने, सब बच्चों ने बड़ी अच्छी अच्छी बातें हमारे में कही. लेकिन सच ये है कि तो बहुत छोटे थे, नहीं क्या कितना याद है कितना नहीं. हम तो बड़े थे, हमें याद है ज़्यादा इन बच्चों के बारे में. मैं सलीम साहब से जब पहली बार मिला था तो सलमान वॉज नॉट इवन 1 year old. 65. ही वॉज नॉट 1 year old. और ये जो अभी इतने हैंडसम लग रहे हैं, ये कोई अभी की बात नहीं है, बचपन से ही खूबसूरत थे. तो ही वॉज अ एक्सेप्शनली गुड लुकिंग चाइल्ड. और एक ब्लैक एंड वाइट तस्वीर आपके लिविंग रूम में हुआ करती थी, छोटी सी फ्रेम में, सलमान की, पता नहीं अब है खो गई कहाँ है. फिर ये सब तो बाकी बच्चे तो मेरे सामने पैदा हुए हैं. अच्छा, कमाल क्या है कि सलमान टुडे ही इज द ही मैन, ही इज द डैशिंग हीरो. ये इंतहाई शाय, बहुत ही कम बोलने वाला, बहुत चुपचाप रहने वाला बच्चा था. जो बदमाश बच्चा था वो वहाँ बैठा हुआ है. ये ही वॉज अ रेगुलर सेड्यूसर. सलीम साहब के घर में जो भी आता था कि ये तुम्हें पता नहीं है तुमने क्या क्या किया 6 बरस के बाद. ये जो भी इनका सलीम साहब का दोस्त होता था, ये उससे एक स्पेशल रिलेशन बना लेते. ये बेचारा चुप बैठा रहता था और ये जो है उससे मिलके घुल मिलके लोगों को लगता था भाई बहुत कमाल का बच्चा है. और एक बहुत छुटपन में इसकी एक अजीब आदत थी, इसके बाल कभी बिखरे नहीं मिल सकते थे. ये कंघी करता था. एक 6 साल का बच्चा अपनी कंघी कर रहा है, ऐसा मैंने देखा नहीं. तो सेल्फ लव इनका बहुत कमाल का था.
Self-love, I love it. So Gen Z, Javed Saab, I love you. Zoya, I'm going to take this to you, unless Salim Saab would
Gen
like
Z
to say
तो
a few
ये
words.
उस वक्त से थे पहले से. The way they've lived their lives today is very difficult for Farhan and me to live our lives the way they've lived their lives. तो इसमें negative भी बहुत आ गया उस वक्त. So they didn't care. Today we are made to feel that we should care, where we should not actually.
That's so true. Thank you. Thank you.
That comes from.
I mean, there is only one word which is badass, and I said that on stage. Shoot me. I don't care, but that's who they were. Zoya, I would love for you to tell us what your favorite dialogue is. And Farhan, We're back there.
Actually, I am going to go with what Reema said, which is Gabbar's dialogue, "Jo dar gaya, samjho mar gaya."
मर गया बिल्कुल बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया फरहान
My favorite dialogue, I've actually made a film. I love that film so much. Dawn ko pagadna mushkil hi nahi namumkin hai was my favorite dialogue. But I think to just paraphrase one line that they've used in a film, and that question came up earlier also, lunch kab hai, lunch kab hai, lunch.
lunch कब है well lunch will happen I think-
माइनस मुझसे पूछना
yes
ना
so
यार।
sorry
माइनस मेरे पास माँ है वो भी 2
Can't even plan things like this. Okay, so let me be honest. I grew up in Sion. मैं माटुंगा की लड़की हूँ. लेकिन आज इस मंच पर यहाँ पर खड़े रह के, I just want to say thank you to all of these amazing people who've given us the movies that defined our entire lives, our personalities. And if you feel the same way, would you please put your hands together for Angry Young Men? That is going to be dropping on the 20th of August on Prime Video. Can I?
240 countries.
Can I also mention, it's very rare to have such a strength, such a show of wonderful family coming together. So I'm going to ask our
आपने
friends.
जावेद साहब का प्रोडक्शन तो देख लिया अब सलीम खान का भी प्रोडक्शन देख लीजिए
Yes.
कम सोहेल कम अरबाज अलवीरा अर्पिता कम
To the best co-host I could ever have, Mr. Salman Khan. Thank you so much. Alize, could we please request the family to step on stage? Thank you so much for being with us today.
ऐसे नहीं बनती लेगेसी जो चले सालों साल ऐसे नहीं होगा फिर से किस्मत देती है मौका एक बार नाम फैला हर स्क्रीन पे हक की कमाई नहीं ली किसी से छीन के बम्बई जाने मेरा नाम है बर्रा मेरा दाम अब आई मेरी बारी बरसूंगा जैसे आंधी I roll like
Once again, 20th of August, Prime Video, Angry Young Men. Don't forget, thank you so much for being with us today.